Outstanding in that all of the community was involved, all of government was involved, and especially so because Samoa stepped in at the last minute to host that games. Solomon Islands, who host the games this year, was inspired by what they saw here, and during those games the Prime Minister of Solomon Islands asked us to help them to make this year's Pacific Games Green Games as well. And I'm glad to say that through the Pacific Ocean Litter Project and our Pacific Climate Change Center, we are assisting Solomon Islands to do what Samoa did in 2019. We're glad of the leadership of Samoa in the region in having Green Games. So that continues with having a green competition here. I hope that some of the infrastructure that we will be getting for the Waka competition can remain in the Friendship Park to be used by all those members of the public and our tourists who use the Friendship Park on a daily basis. I also have a bit of a personal connection to this Waka competition. We are hosting one of the teams from Fiji at home. My sister-in-law is part of that team. And I know Tony, our Director for Waste and Pollution, is also looking after some of the teams from Fiji. So while it's an association between governments and between organizations and between associations, it's also a personal association amongst all of us who are involved in the competition. I wish you all well on behalf of SPREP. Thank you for the leadership by the Minister, especially looking after I counted 3 of his portfolios just in the one event. Tourism, environment and forestry and climate change. The 4 of his portfolios under the one event. And it is exactly the kind of integrated and sustainable events that we should be aspiring for in the Pacific. So wishing you well and thanking all of us who are supporting the Green Waka competition. Thank you.
Thank you again, PG. That was a beautiful speech, and we're looking forward to more of the funds from SPREP. With any of the events that we requested to SPREP, and we hope that Samoa is always the pilots for all the fundings and projects that are held in SPREP. And the next part of our program is that we're going to get straight to our Q&A. And I'll give this time to Sua, who will say a few words, and then we'll get to our Q&A for this morning. Thank you, Sua. Over to you.
Thank you, everybody. President couldn't make it, so I feel like I'll say a few words on behalf of our association. So, approximately, Ms. Khan, General Director, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the association, we're very excited to host this event here in Samoa. Most of us paddlers, we pretty much live in the ocean. The ocean is pretty much our home. We're there in the morning, we go to work, and then straight back into the ocean. And by the time we get home, it's just straight to sleep. So we spend a lot of our time in our oceans. And with that as well, we're very proud to be able to show that not only hosting this event, we're also looking after our homes, which is our ocean. And we're very thankful to Hope, Government of Australia, SPREP, for the support. It is one of those things similar to Solomon Islands for us. We're thankful to the Government of Samoa for leading it, and with SPREP during the games in 2019. And from there, we also, when we first set up this event, we wanted to have the same thing. So we reached out to SPREP, and thank you very much for answering our call. to protect our home, protect our island, protect our oceans. We're not proud of it, but we are one of the main culprits of littering in the oceans. A lot of water sports in the past before. There's a lot of single-use plastics out there from us, but we are making a step towards that, and this really helps us as well to use this event to send a message, and not only do we send a message, but to show that we can actually do it as well. So thank you very much for that. Let's thank the government of Samoa for also supporting this event, for us to be able to not only promote our sport, our country, but also support messages like this that are very important to our future, to our home, making sure that it's protected for our children. So, Taamilosaga Alova'a, everybody for coming today, and thank you very much.
Ona se tawa whae o le tate ngai e whae tamo
Isi te reo ko te sile.
o le sile tamo sile.
Ja, ole kamanei e loi pakuskusa le alongo le Pacific Games. But ole ikai probably a little bit less, but it's still a lot. Yeah, there's quite a bit of investment into it.
So can you give an estimate of the budget?
Nearly $1 million.
E whiania tunu o le fofo e awai mai le Taamilosaga leo. Te whaisin tala e Taamilosaga, o awa inga o vai nei ai. E me se whai o le tātou atunu i nei in tātou au Alova'a.
So for the first time in the Kalanga years, it's the third long distance event for the Alova'a. Normally it's a sprint, world sprints, and that's held every 2 years. The world long distance started back in 2019, and we were supposed to host it in 2020, 2021, every second year. So we're actually the third to host this event. We're looking at about 28 countries, and we've registered over 1,000 paddlers, and with supporters and officials coming over, we're looking at about over 2,000 people visiting our island. The divisions, they range from junior 16s to up to senior 70, 75. So we have 80-year-olds participating in the Kalanga. And it's the first time to under 16s football. Normally it starts from under 19s. So, yeah, we're very proud that we're hosting the first under 90s. For us, getting closer to our grassroots with our belly, and also it's not just a sport for us here in the Pacific, and it's why another reason why we're very proud to bring the event back to the Pacific. Because it's now sport has gone a lot into Europe, to Canada, and the last ones were in London. So we're very glad to bring it back to Samoa in the Pacific. I'm looking forward to hopefully Fiji for the next one, hopefully. But yeah, a little background on the things.
Can you name all these 28 countries that you participate?
At the top of my head.
You have a list of those?
Yes, we do have a list. It is on our website. But we have countries like Brazil, Italy, Argentina, China, Hong Kong. Yeah, 28 countries.
So what are those tourism services will be benefiting from this?
I know that most of the hotels are booked out. Same with the car rental businesses. I know a few of the catering companies are also being contracted for teams that are coming. Pretty much a lot of the tourism industry is pretty booked out.
Lau whiongal minsta o le wawai atu le langolang sua malo si o le Taamilosaga lea o loo iai ma le whiau tāua le au mai ai i le whaonga ina o tātou o ngā sami. Ia ma le tamawhaina ia whamama. Ia o le tele ai nā ngai o le tangata ngā taiwhalu, tele whanea o le whaaleanga ina. La se tūlanga le tātou malo o loo iai i lea whaifsasoani, e mai se o nisi fo i o ko kalam papena i lumana i mo le whale ia tilo tātou o ngā sami.
Ese amata skala lang le silipe I kau kau ole so soani mo mo tato malo ole sa na go pata se male para ko kongan me so e paile de a Filipin la ko to wa sifit kon suri vale na le tupin ya le na ve long suan malo le ten na in payong na mai samo ya lan man malo ai ya e peitai pen faio ten tumule ai o mai tu e fai tato ta vama nei a o lockdown ya le tu ta wa mataria la ni wa tala tato la si eliana a filo ai le malo male pala ko tong ko la so son yo tato wa mai e fa nga ni tu no ba le na fa pe na tato malo ya le mai tanga no tuisi e quindi se sono tutte e alla maiorità tu school development program al malo le fa battulle e tap so sono tapenanga telo nisce tau talo tapenanga e lo su sponsors fate foi la tatu telo in militare da si lo sponsors lo mau ele fala tutto so sono tapenanga lo e fu e si le prendo vai me passo lo tiene fa le sponsor e tani e telefoni e si vai ole nau tai ngai na ia mawhai o na wha o mai ia nei events e an wha ia e a mati o walua te toru afe tangata le awai mai vai aso atoa ia I nei tangata ia fōfua pole toru afe tupe tangata to tase wha I le vai aso lea ia pe onga male miliona pe 2 miliona pe 3 miliona tato tupe la mwhai o na maua Samoa tono vai aso le ofea le tupelia le fai lo e al hotel e al taxi e al falolo e al isi vai ni se tato mata angan fai ona ola to wa le al talo e al lo foi tupe vai isi mata ango samo so ole no taina le na ole dentro le tato ya la mo che le hanno alla sulle tue isi tato tala ino tato ati na I tau tangata whamai whafu. E a peo na whasiri tūranga leo le a poi o a whianga sisi o mama. E a pei lava o wāinga te leanea na wato fuise a waigai. O tātou o tauta mai lafo ai I o tuapale. E I umarawa I sabu. A le a veri I tanga la pisi a veri I tātou lenfi. Ia pe mtila kia toa ia o ki mnetumu ia la vai la pisini o umala vai sam ia o tulor sam ia na afia ila ia o le tato amu o ida e maniso fi moto sam o le tapata o ina la le fontana venga me se tato mai e nga lue I pokalan fa peni fa la ulo a toitu I le nga lue pata se tato o kini ia me tato maro me se fa la pensa ngora ia ia la o vale si vainga la fango e se vainga ti le tato le a mala a tu fango tu pe pe alwa dar mala fango plastico le na umana in fumi do vai sa ia la mola ni tu fa la i lo fu e ia fu la tu contribution le ia fiango tato a fu sam mai ta waila fu ko kalam fa pene fa la denga kan fa la ia fa pe fu ona a fu Awe ai tangata I awala I tau na wha I awala I whaia whai titi ai a whianga tisi o mata. Ia, manisi lava vaenga a whianga I tēna I tā ua ia nisi a whianga o tātou ngā tei whale ia ole. Me awa I tau whisui a inga tau, o tele ngā tisi I tai, ia mata whia ia o. Te leisko kalami wha tino I tā ngā venga, ai mo ki tei te unua ia I tātou ngā venga, male I ko kalami o ta pena ni e pe o fa mafalaga le ole awale la fo ayo o lo to te sam Pa ngā tātou loi la pisi e watu e ave i te o tātou ako ta whai ngata ma vai ata. Ia o ngā lo ngā lua e mtanga vengi e po kalame whao. E ngata na reuse ia pe whai e po i eisi a vai. Isi atina e whai mpa ngā i la pisi pole moa mai pole.
Ia, whaktai lawa lawa whionga.
Pena watu le tau o waa umai e kia pula kia waa e Los kumo tupu o waa umai nei o mai na whawini tahit le olo o ngā lua i le maa romo e tawala te kule na tangata whao ai e foi tarsanga le ena tu ina mai e le whamtu au tupu se le me tōsala wakala e se mai tau wa ina i am whai una sosoani tapenanga me whamono e sei la se le tupi le time le foi le tau tato o financing pole ia pensi si la sol tele lava o le commit fa foi o lo nga le foi ni so pule nga le tata fao ia lo ye foi su ia mtanga venga se si o mang mai si mtanga venga o leo ia tenge la fa tino ai e tu ia va leo ma fui mu le fa nga so ia on mele ala ia fa ele fai ona in cash form. Te lenta to costing le ia yang co-financing. Le tenge tangata o isi equipment al maru, le tato friendship pathway ne le la telen pa nga ato, ile tato. Ia o ilensu masafa mo fai ia la le fai fatino no le ufa avitasi, tato fa mo ile fatino no le po kwa. Ia sina e telescato se ni o al waya. O fa mo le ia o va fu ia tato o e mo tu ai fa mo foi na ia fai ona fala o tele nei ko i talopa ia termine ia na ta mai kia ia no foi pia venga o toi e o aloba ai ia ta nai mai ia disi o alu fa na ve lopesi la kuna no se la wal fa kasi ia pa o la tu o ba anu ia fa mo foi na wal na ia fai ona fala o tele nei talo ia ta to o e watu ai tawi mo ai foi avana watu ai fato e mami soio fa mo bueno ro i la fan
voi a pere tu non hai le cose ma ho visto non è la e le ho chiedere di tuo che cosa ti sei fai una volta tutti una cosa
ia o ia fa mo e fai tu una falta sì
ti sei fai una super
ia Milan nei o se dice se lo fiso tu
Kausu.
Ko ke fia ke si a una fala lo malava ia vaina ia de fama tu na fo ia ta tono lo ko tanga ai ma vaina eso tato me se lava ia como te va ama ai bo mana e fu fanga malo mali officer tu si capenano tu la fatino na ia tu na ia o te lo foi pena faltasi te ia e foi matudula pa ia o ia mo vai na o fata o ina o tatu wangalu
ma lo per poi per il vano
Kamanuli lang ola ofisilia isa na po ang ano pa ng criteria diba there's special
Yo tenho dinheiro na página faz para mim eu sou uma folga e ele montar uma ele não faz isso ele vai assim ele faz acho que mesmo que olha aqui que dói ele não tem nada não fosse training for you uma coisa eu tenho feito uma pouco e depois não é porque eu ficar na Rota alonga uma lava ia me fácil né aí a final do tá na minha aí já tá show se não faz uma coisa mais coisa como ele não pode ele se pegar com essa vai fazer na frente ele fala a opportunity tourism tá na minha for instance this one event bring close to 2,000 or 2,000 people, which they thought was good stuff with the Pacific Games. ngai o ka longa lea o mai ka o mai mai ko mi mai la ko men mo foi la ko a la ko transportation no para ko entertainment sa ko mai ko mo ka ko tam para o mahuanga ni pa ni pa kiro ke me we can do trainings for each all the villages if they not far away la ko for sanga le kemi le for sanga le fiberglass ko le eso But I'm afraid I'm afraid I'm afraid I found I love it looks a lot more traditional.
So how much, sorry, so how much does it cost to build one company?
Well, I've got to check, but I know that it's not cheap, but which is again the reason why we're looking to train our people here to build the canoes in this design. We do build our own canoes here, but more so to suit the races. We'll be doing a bit of training. To build them here, probably half the price. Again, if we can do that, we can reach out to our villages and actually build a sport statistically and have more events like this on an annual basis.
Who's the current champ of the IBF?
Yeah, I'm today and sending help for the game. And we wish you all the best with today's conference and the rest of the week. And hope to see you next week for the games. And after taking over the charge of media and the inside out, and from the television facility of your boy in the wing of the Taamilosaga, and then fire the Taamilosaga. I want all the last that's what I actually I don't know the office is like this. I